Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the alt text generator AI application for Shopify. So it's the Shopify app. You want to go to alttextgeneratorAI.com, go to the Shopify app section here, go to where it says install app, and this will take you to the official listing on the Shopify app store. So here, if you don't have it installed, this will say install. So you want to click on it. I'll just click on open and that will take me to my store, which is this one here. So I already have a store here, and this is just like a demo store. So once you have installed the application, on the left side you'll see alt text generator AI. You click on that one. Okay, so I already have all my configuration, but if you don't have it, you want to go to your dashboard, and here you can show API key and copy that API key. You'll take it here, paste it. You can select the language for the alt text, save settings, and this will take you the number of credits that you have remaining. I have 6 credits, so I can start generating alt text. So I'll go where it says fetch products. In here you can generate alt text for all the products. I only have one product, so this will only generate alt text for this product. You can generate alt text for all of the images for this product, or you can generate alt text for the images individually. So let's do it individually. Let's do it for this image here. Just click on generate alt text, and then you'll see that the alt text was generated for that image only. And here you can see that the credits remaining decreased. Now we have 5 credits, and now we're gonna generate alt text for all of the images, so this will be regenerated. Just click on that one. And now you'll see that now we'll have 3 credits because we utilized 2 of the credits for this image one and for this image another one, and now they both have alt text. So it's as easy as that. If you go to products, you can check that the alt text was generated successfully by double clicking on the image, and then you'll see the alt text on the right side here. Oh, sorry. And then you can also see it for the other image, and you'll see that the alt text was generated successfully as well. So yeah, it's just a quick tutorial on how to use the Shopify app for alt text generator. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.